Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Volkswagen Passat and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights. It's just your regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, once you finish prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And then place the film on this section of the headlight first. So once it's aligned, you're going to notice that the headlight itself has a small little curve on the lower section of the headlight. That will work on it afterwards. We just need to make sure we secure this whole section first. So anchor this section of the headlight, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, and make sure it doesn't shift, so keep it aligned. Apply tack solution, hold it in position, and start tagging it down. Okay, now that this section is secured, all we need to do is stretch the film to reach to this edge. So to stretch the film, apply Slip Solution underneath the film, place it back down, and all you need to do is a light stretch in order to reach it to this edge. Once you have it on the edge, lift it carefully, apply tack solution underneath the film, and start tacking it down. And then for this part, all we need to do is use your squeegee or our finger to help the film tack down. And once you tack it down there, everything else should fall into place. So just apply tack solution, that way our squeegee is able to glide and tack down the film. And that's pretty much it. And the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the tint activate faster and it sticks better to the headlight. So for the pulse heating part, all we need to do is apply tack solution on the tint, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat all over the film, especially underneath the headlight here. That way the film does not lift over time. And we're also going to use our microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's trapped behind the film, as well as helping us tack down the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Volkswagen Passat. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.